Kotlin tutorial number 5, functions. Kotlin functions start with fun. Single expression functions skip the curly braces and return, use equals instead. Kotlin infers the return type from the expression, so you skip that too. In practice, single expression functions cut boilerplate for small utility functions by about 50%. Default parameters eliminate Java's method overloading. One function replaces 3 overloaded methods. Provide a default value after equals in the signature and callers can omit it. Kotlin's default parameters are resolved at compile time, so there is no runtime cost compared to Java's overloading approach. Named arguments let you pass parameters out of order and skip optional ones by name. No confusion when a function has 5+ parameters of the same type. Call greet, name equals Alex, punctuation equals, and skip greeting entirely. Named arguments also document intent at every call site. Use Vararg to accept any number of arguments. Inside the function, the Vararg parameter is an array. Pass an existing array to a Vararg with the spread operator asterisk. Asterisk my array unpacks it into individual arguments. Mix a spread with extra individual values in the same call. Define a function inside another function to limit its scope and avoid polluting the class namespace. Local functions capture variables from the enclosing scope. No need to pass state as parameters. Use them for recursive helpers or validation logic that is only needed inside one function. Extension functions add methods to any class without subclassing. Fun string. To slug, works on every string in the project. Infix functions with the infix keyword let you drop the dot and parentheses. 5 times 3 instead of 5 times 3. Both are compiled to static utility calls with 0 runtime overhead.